I had to get some video of the lightning. I got some good pictures. Ooh. Yeah, so that's gotta be interesting to be just over wherever those clouds are sitting. I don't know if they're gonna come this way or not. I bet that thunder sure is rumbling too. Fortunately, though, I can't tell which way the storm's heading. So if it's heading this way, that'd be pretty cool. But right now, I just don't know. It's just like constant. That was a good one. And the camera can't always pick up everything that, well, every time they flash, but oh my goodness. That just got, oh, that was insane. Just lighting it up like crazy. I almost don't want to stop recording. Oh. I don't know if that's over Burns or where that would be technically. Man, can you imagine though driving down I-25 or I-80 with this? And we got some going on more to the north too, but man, this east side is just taking a hit. Yeah, not every flash is getting picked up, but man, look at that. It's craziness. Absolute crazy.